Now let's look at how you can save and update events. When you are finished filling in the details, save your event and send your invitations. To save your event, click Save, and then click Send to notify guests by email, or Don't Send if you don't want to notify guests at this time. If you are inviting people outside of your organization, click Invite External Guests to notify them, or continue editing to notify them later. Update an existing event. You can invite more guests, change the meeting location, and more. In the calendar grid, single-click the event and then click Edit. If you want to invite more guests, change the meeting location, or add attachments, making your change, and click Save. If the event organizer hasn't given you edit permissions, you can't make changes to the event time or its duration.